Hi, Alison Marsden here from Gardening by Design with a quick video tip. This month I thought we'd look at camellias using the one behind me as an example. Camellias are one of the archetypal spring flowers. Some of them flower even before Christmas, but most of them, like this one that we're looking at here, March through to April. You can see a nice big bud here. These are going to open out pink. That's a really big healthy bud. If I move down here right to the bottom of the plant where it's quite sheltered, you can see the first of the flowers has opened. There's pale pink petals around a mass of yellow stamens. Most people will know that camellias prefer an acid soil. They are ericaceous along with rhododendrons and acers. I'm on a clay soil here which is quite neutral. The leaves are a nice glossy green. They're not the darkest green, but in fact this is how this variety of camellia produces leaves. Other varieties have very, very dark green, but these are nice green and glossy, and it's certainly healthy. You will see a few on the inside. If I just crawl inside here, some of these leaves, they're very yellow around the edges and green in the middle. Now this is not the chlorosis problem from too limey a soil. This is simply older leaves on the inside beginning to drop. There's a couple here. This one's completely, that one's there, is really ready to drop off, and that is just the natural sequence of leaves. Even shrubs that are evergreen, individual leaves don't last forever. It's just they don't all fall off at the same time. So there's always some loss of leaves from the centre of the plant in the spring as growth resumes. By contrast, you can see on these leaves here, right on the end, leaves that are just a little bit paler green, and in between the veins they're beginning to yellow a little bit. Now that is the sign that a little bit of iron is needed, and because I'm on a clay soil I need to give this, along with all the other ericaceous plants, a nice dose of a rhododendron high iron fertiliser pretty soon, and that will green it up for the rest of the summer. And finally, you can see that there's lots of buds on this plant, big round healthy buds all about to burst out. They're right on the ends, and the buds form in August and September. So if you want to prune a camellia in order to limit the size, just stop it getting bigger and bigger every year, the time to prune that is immediately after flowering. And you can cut back quite a long way to a new shoot. So you can see you could cut this one back quite a long way to the next shoot, or where it comes from the parent, and then the plant has got the whole summer to regrow and then form new flower buds in August and September. If you cut off after that or in the spring, you'll simply be removing all the buds and you'll get no flowers the following spring. Happy gardening. There's more information on my Gardening by Design website about how gardening supports well-being and how I can help you.